to Think Max. We are in class 10 Max. In this session, we are going to discuss about revision worksheet for chapters 1 to 5. Already in the previous video, we revised sections A, B, C based on the sample question paper pattern. So in this session, we are going to discuss about section D. So it carries 4 questions. So each question carries 5 marks. Totally 20 marks for section D. So the links for the section A, B, C are given in the description. You can check the link. Now let us get into the video. First one, a charitable trust donates 28 different books of mathematics, 16 different books of science and 12 different books of social science to poor students. Each student is given maximum number of books of only one subject of their interest, and each student got equal number of books. Find the number of books each student got. Find the total number of students who got books. Now here there are 3 parts. That is, in mathematics 28 books are there. In science 16 books. In social there are 12 books. So here what is given? Each student is given maximum number of books. So they are given maximum number of books. So what we have to find? If it is maximum, we have to find HCF. So if it is maximum, we have to find HCF of 28 maths books, 16 science books and 12 social books. So, and each student got equal number of books. So, we have to find HCF of 28, 16 and 12. So, what do you mean by HCF? HCF is nothing but product of the smallest power of each common prime factor in the numbers. Now, let us factorize these 3 numbers. 28. How do you factorize? 28. Take first 2. 1 2s are 2. 4 2s are 8. 2 7s are 14. So 7 is prime. So stop with that. So we can write 2 power 2. There are 2 2s. So 2 power 2 into 7. Next 16. So 16. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. So how many 2s are there? 4 2s. So it is 2 power 4. Next 12. 12 let us factorize. 2 4s, 2 6 are 12 and 2 3s are 6. So how many 2s? 2 2s. So 2 power 2 into 3. So which is the common prime factor here? The 2 is only the common prime factor. So 2 is the only common prime factor. We have to take the smallest power. So which is the smallest power? Smallest power is 2. So it is 2 power 2 which is 4. That means number of books each student got is 4. So for the first part, number of books each student got equal to 4. So each student got 4 books. Okay. Now we have to find out the total number of students who got books. So for that we have to find number of students who got maths books, number of students who got science books, number of students who got social books. That we can do it in the next page. So till now we got number of books each student got is 4. Now we have to find number of students who got maths book. So totally how many maths book are there? So it is equally divided by 4. Okay. So now we have to divide 28 by 4. So we will get number of students who got maths book. Okay. So each student got 4 books. So number of students who got maths book is nothing but 28 divided by 4, which is 7. So science book, how many science book is there? It is 16. So 16 divided by 4. So in 4 table, 4 4s are 16. Next social book, it is 12. So there are 12 social book. 12 divided by 4, 3 4s are 12. So it is 12. So total number of students equal to 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. So totally there are 14 students who got books. Okay children. I hope you can understand this problem. So moving on to the next problem. Find the sum of all multiples of 7 lying between 500 and 900. We have to find out the numbers that lies between 500 and 900. Those numbers should be multiples of sum. That is, those numbers should be divisible by 7. Okay. Now let us find out those numbers. This problem is from arithmetic progression. Now we have to form the AP. So to form the AP, we have to find out A, that is the first number. So here it is 500. The number starts from 500 to 900. Let us see whether 500 is divisible by 7. 5 is not divisible by 7. So take 50. 7 sevens are 49. So balance here it is 10. 10 is not divisible by 7. We have to find the number after 500. So it should not be below 500. So we have to add something so that this number is divisible by 7. So we have to add the next number after 10, which is divisible by 7, is 14. So what we have to do? We have to add 4. So with 500, we have to add 4. It becomes 504. Now 504 is divisible by 7. So 7 sevens are 49. 50 minus 49 is 1. 14. 2 sevens are 14. And the balance is 0. So the first number is 504. What will be the next number? Next number will be added by 7 because they are all multiples of 7. So 504 plus 7. So what is 504 plus 7? It is 511. So 511. Next number is 518. What will be the lowest number? So we have to check whether 900 is divisible by 7. If it is divisible by 7, 900 will be the lowest number. Let us check. So here 1 sevens are 7. Balance 2. Let us take this 0, 20. So 2 sevens are 14. So 20 minus 14 is 6. So bringing this 0 down, 60. So here this is the last number. 60 is not divisible by 7. So we have to take before number. Here after number, because between 500 and 900 means after 500 and before 900 we have to finish. So here 60 is not divisible by 7. So before 60, which number is divisible by 7? 8 sevens are 56. So 56. Here it should be 56. So that is 4 lesser. So from 900 we have to less 4. So it will be 10 minus 4. It is 6. 9. 896. Now 896 is divisible by 7. So 7. 1 sevens are 7. Balance 1. 19. 2 sevens are 14. 19 minus 4 is 5. 56. 8 sevens are 56. So the last number will be 896. Now we formed the AP. Now we have to solve the problem to get SN. So what is given? First number A is 504. The difference D is 7. The last number L or AN equal to 896. What we have to find? We have to find out summation SN. So SN formula is N by 2 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay. So here we know A as well as D. What is not known? N is not known. So we have to find out that N. Okay. Now how to find out N? We know the formula. L is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So we know the last term, first term as well as D. So if you substitute here, we will get N. So what is L? L is 896. A, what is A? It is 504 plus, we don't know N, minus 1. What is D? It is 7. Now keep this 896 here. Bring the 504 towards left. So plus 504 will become minus 504 equal to n minus 1 into 7. So if we subtract 6 minus 4, it is 2. 9 minus 0, 9. 8 minus 5, 3. 392. 7 is in product. So when we change the side, it will become division, which is equal to n minus 1. So how many times 7 is 39? 5 sevens are 35. Balance will be 4. 6 sevens are 42. So if we divide by 7, we will get 56. Here minus 1 is there. When we change the sign, it will become plus 1, which is equal to n. So n will be equal to 57. So we got n. Then we can find out easily Sn. Sn is nothing but 57 by 2. 2 into what is A? 504 plus n minus 1. So 57 minus 1 into D. What is D? It is 7, which is equal to 57 by 2. What is 2 into 504? 2 fours are 8. 2 into 0, 0. 2 fives are 10 plus 57 minus 1 is 56. 56 into 7. So we have to do this calculation. So let me erase this. So Sn will be equal to 57 by 2. 1008 plus what is 56 into 7? 6 sevens are 42. Balance 4. 5 sevens are 35. 35 plus 4, it is 39. 392. So 57 by 2. If we add this number, 8 plus 2, it is 10. Balance 1. So 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 9, it is 10. Balance 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 3, 4. And this 1400. Now if we divide by 2, we will get 7 2s are 14, 0, 0. So now we have to multiply 57 into 700. So keep these zeros here. 2 zeros are there. So write the 2 zeros. Now multiply the numbers. 7 sevens are 49. Balance 4. 5 sevens are 35. 35 plus 4, it is 39. So the answer is 39,900. So sum of the numbers lying between 500 and 900 is 39,900. Okay children, I hope you can understand. So moving on to the next problem. Solve the following pair of linear equations graphically. There are two linear equations, x plus 3y equal to 6, 2x minus 3y equal to 12. Also find the area of triangle formed by the lines representing the given equations with the y-axis. First let us solve the equation. What is the equation? First equation is x plus 3y equal to 6. Now from this we have to find out y. So keeping this 3y here, bringing the 6 to the right hand side. So it will become minus x. Then y will be equal to 6 minus x divided by 3. So let us form the table for this equation. So it is x, y is equal to 6 minus x divided by 3. So if you put x is equal to 0, if you put x is equal to 0 here, it will be 6 divided by 3. So which is 2. Next let us take x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 means y will be 6 minus 3 divided by 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. 3 divided by 3 which is 1. So we have here 0, 2 and 3, 1. So in the same way, let us solve the second equation. 2x minus 3y equal to 12. So keeping the 3y here, taking the x to right hand side. So plus 2x will become minus 2x. So multiply throughout by negative sign. What will happen? It will become 3y. This minus 2x will become plus 2x. Plus 12 will become minus 12. So y will be equal to 2x minus 12. 3 is in product. So it will come to division. So now we have x. Y is equal to 2x minus 12 divided by 3. So if you put x is equal to 0. So if you put x is equal to 0, first term will become 0. So the remaining will be minus 12 by 3, which is minus 4. So next I am going to take x is equal to 6. So if you put x is equal to 6, 2 into 6, it is 12. So 12 minus 12 divided by 3, which is 0. Because 12 minus 12 is 0. 0 by 3 is 0. So we have 0 comma minus 4 and 6 comma 0. Now let us plot the points here. So first one, for the first line we have 0 comma 2. So we have, let us take the 2 points, scale as 2 points, 2 4 6, 2 4 6, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8. So first, for the first line we have 0 comma 2. So x is 0 and y is 2. So this is 0 comma 2. Next one is 3 comma 1. So it lies between 2 and 4. So this is the point 3 and this is 1. So this is 3 comma 1. Okay. Next we have 0 comma minus 4. So before that, let us join the line for the first equation. So 0 comma 2, 3 comma 1. Okay. So this is the first line. So if you draw using the scale, the line will be perfect. Next one, it is 0 comma minus 4. So 0 is here, minus 4 is here. So 0 comma minus 4, 6 comma 0. So this is 6 comma 0. So join 0 comma minus 4 and 6 comma 0. So if you check the graph, the two lines meet at 6 comma 0. So the solution is 6 comma 0. So now let us write the two lines intersect at 6 comma 0. Therefore the solution is x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 0. Now a triangle is formed. Okay, how the triangle is formed? This is the triangle. Let us name it as A. This is the point B and this is the point C. So the triangle is ABC. So this is the triangle ABC. So how it is given? The lines formed by the lines representing the given equation with the y-axis. So this is the y-axis and these two lines. So they form a triangle ABC. Now we have to find the area of the triangle ABC. So what is the area formula? Area of the triangle ABC is area of triangle ABC equal to half into base into height. This is the triangle formula. So half into which is the base? This is base. AB is the base. Half AB, which is the height? Here height is this one. From O, the origin, this is the height. So OC is the height. So into OC. Half AB into OC. Then we have to find the distance between AB and distance between OC. We have to use the distance formula to find AB and OC. What is AB? Distance formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, which is square root of, that is AB. This is AB here. So here x2 minus x1. So x coordinates are 0. So 0 minus 0. So 0 minus 0 whole square plus y2 minus y1. So y coordinates are minus 4 and 2. So y2 is minus 4, y1 is 2. So minus 4 minus 2 whole square. So 0 minus 0 is 0, square is 0 plus minus 4 minus 2 is both are negative, put the negative sign and add the numbers. So minus 6 whole square. So if you take the negative square, it will become positive. So minus 6 whole square is 36. So what is square root of 36? Square root of 36 is 6. So AB is equal to 6. In the same way, we have to find OC. OC equal to square root of, here what is origin? Origin coordinates are 0, comma 0. Now we have to find out the distance between O and C. Okay. So applying the formula. So here what is the x coordinates? X coordinates here it is 0 and here it is 6. So 0 minus 6 whole square, 0 minus 6 whole square. What about the y coordinates? Y coordinates, both values are 0. So 0 minus 0 whole square. So 0 minus 6 is minus 6 whole square plus 0 minus 0 is 0. So you will get square root of 36. Minus 6 whole square is minus 6 minus whole square will become positive. 6 square is 36. So square root of 36 is 6. So we will get half AB is equal to 6 and OC is equal to 6. So 1 2s are 2, 3 2s are 6. So 3 into 6 it is 18 square units. This is the area of the triangle. Okay children, I hope you can understand this problem. So moving on to the last problem. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial 5x square minus 7x plus 2, find the sum of the reciprocals of zeros. Find alpha square plus beta square. We can do this problem in two ways. In first method, we can use the relationship between the zeros of the polynomial and coefficients. In the second method, we can solve by finding out the zeros and substituting the values. First, let us start the solution by using the relation between the zeros and coefficients. Okay. So, what is the equation? The equation is 5x square minus 7x plus 2 equal to 0. So let us divide this by 5 to make the coefficient of x square as 1. So 5 by 5 is 1. So x square minus 7 by 5x plus 2 by 5 equal to 0. So alpha and beta are given as zeros. Now what we know, alpha plus beta, that is sum of the roots is equal to minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. So minus, what is coefficient of x? Minus 7 by 5. Coefficient of x square is 1. So minus into minus, it is plus. So it is 7 by 5. Alpha plus beta is equal to 7 by 5. What is alpha beta? Product of the roots equal to constant term divided by coefficient of x square. Okay. So what is the constant term? Constant term is 2 by 5. Coefficient of x square is 1. So we get 2 divided by 5. So alpha beta is equal to 2 by 5. Now we are going to use this values. So for the first one, we have sum of the reciprocals. So sum means addition. Reciprocal of zeros. So what is reciprocal of 0? 0 is alpha. So reciprocal of alpha is 1 by alpha. Reciprocal of beta is 1 by beta. So let us take alpha beta as LCM and cross multiply. So it is beta plus alpha. This is nothing but Beta plus alpha can be written as alpha plus beta divided by alpha beta. What is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is plus 7 by 5 divided by alpha beta is 2 by 5. Keep this 7 by 5 as such. Bring the 2 by 5 to the numerator. So it will reciprocate. That is, it will inverse. 2 by 5 will become 5 by 2. So 5 gets cancelled. So answer is 7 by 2. In the same way, second one, it is alpha square plus beta square. So we know alpha plus beta whole square is alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. We need alpha square plus beta square. So bring the remaining term to the left hand side. So alpha plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta will become minus 2 alpha beta, which is equal to alpha square plus beta square. So alpha square plus beta square can be written as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. What is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is 7 by 5 whole square minus 2. What is alpha beta? It is 2 by 5. So 7 square is 49, 5 square is 25 minus 2 into 2 it is 4 divided by 5. So for 25 and 5 we can take 25 as LCM. Now what we have to do? Put this number as such 49 minus, to make this 5 as 25 we have to multiply and divide by 5. So here we have 25. So what we have here? 4 into 5, 20. What is 49 minus 20? It is 29 by 25. So this is one method. So second method, we have to find out the zeros and substitute the values. What is the equation? It is 5x square minus 7x plus 2 equal to 0. Now here product is 10 and summation is minus 7. So 5 into 2 is 10. We need minus 7. So put minus 5 and minus 2. So it is 5x square minus 7x minus 2, minus 5x minus 2x plus 2 equal to 0. So take the 5x which is common. The remaining will be x minus 1. Now take minus 2 from the two terms. So remaining will be x minus 1 equal to 0. So you will have x minus 1 into 5x minus 2 equal to 0. So x minus 1 is equal to 0. This means x is equal to 1. So one of the root is 1. Alpha is equal to 1. Another one is 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. So 5x equal to minus 2 will become plus 2. X will be equal to 2. 5 is in product. It will come to division. So 2 by 5. That means beta is equal to 2 by 5. Now for the first term, what we have to find? 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. So substitute the values. 1 by alpha is 1 plus 1 by beta is 2 by 5. What is 1 by 1? 1 by 1 is 1 plus, if you take the denominator to numerator, it will inverse, that is 5 by 2. So 1 plus 5 by 2. So take 2 as LCM and cross multiply, you will get 2 plus 5, which is 7 by 2. Okay. Now second part, what is that? It is alpha square plus beta square. What is alpha square? Alpha is 1. So 1 square plus beta is 2 by 5 whole square. So you will get 1 plus, that is 2 square is 4 divided by 5 square is 25. So taking 25 as LCM and cross multiplying 25 plus 4. So 25 plus 4, which is equal to 29 by 25. So in both the ways, we will get the same solution. Okay children, I hope you can understand all the problems. If you have any doubts, you can comment me. Okay, thank you. We will meet in the next video. I hope you can understand the way I am teaching. If you are not able to understand, just give me a suggestion in your comment. Okay children, so I hope you are all very smart. and you will be supporting my channel by subscribing and like and share. Okay children, bye bye.